All right, we talk a little bit about the next iPhone. I think we've actually covered this story in the past. Your tabs are out of control over there.
Is it?
Yeah, go to the Mac rumors section. Next one there. There you go. iPhone 13 Pro lineup rumored to include matte black option. So this just contributes to the pre-existing rumors around finally a black iPhone, like a real, like not a no space, no talking about a black iPhone.
Uh-huh.
Now, last time we brought this up, we were reminiscing on a jet black iPhone. You remember you remember the jet black iPhone?
Which one was that? The
iPhone 7. It was, I think they even call it jet black, maybe. And it was glossy. But with anything that's that glossy, it was kind of starting to show scratches and things for some people. Some people loved it. That was the iPhone 7 back then. Anyway, so there was some thinking that, okay, maybe they go with something like that, a real deep tone black. But then we saw what Samsung did, a Phantom black, and it had like a more matte finish to it. And now we have this update here from Max Weinbach. iPhone 13 will come with a matte black option for the Pro and Pro Max models, a new stainless steel coating that reduces smudges and fingerprints, a new rear camera design, an improved noise cancellation with beam forming for calls. Now, I think he says a little bit more. Yes. Weinbach says the color is a redesigned graphite, but is borderline black. So I'm, in my brain here, I'm envisioning something close to what Samsung did with the Phantom black. Because, depending on the reflection, it can look really deep black, or it can kind of have a more graphite look when it's reflecting light in a certain way. So that's what I would imagine them doing, and especially if they want to continue to use similar materials. Because this black was well received, from what I can tell.
Yes.
Apparently, they're also experimenting with an orange, almost bronze-like color for the new iPhones, but he says it's unlikely to launch. So, anyway, there's some additional indications. I think he's got a pretty good track record, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it as well, which always helps when it comes to rumors, whether or not you believe them to be true or not. It's like, does it make sense? Well, yeah, I think it does make sense.
Yep.